Okay, S2, I'm going to start off by showing you the veg prep for our spaghetti bolognese. I'm at this funny angle because I want to show you the veg prep better than you seeing my face. I know that's disappointing. So we're going to start by grating the carrot, then chopping our onion and slicing our mushroom. Spaghetti bolognese is one of those things where everyone has got a different recipe. So if you want to put something else in it, that's absolutely fine. However, we need to have some vegetables in it, so don't discount all of those, and onion is one of the bases. So I'm going to start with the onion. Remember, there's really one way to cut an onion. You need to slice off the shoot and leave on the root. Then you need to half it down the middle from the South Pole to the North Pole, not along the equator. So through the root, I'm going to half it. And that gives it these two lovely halves. So the recipe calls for half an onion. It depends on the size of your onion. This is quite a small onion, so I'm going to use the whole thing. So take the peel off, and you're left with your onion like this. And you should know by now that you do some straight lines down towards the root, but you don't cut all the way through. Cut all the way through to the bottom, but you don't cut all the way through the root. So I'm going up towards the root and then going down. One slice through the middle, and that will give you some nice fine chopped onions when you chop it like this, all the way up to the root, and then discard the rest of the root. So I'm going to do the same with the other half. I need to take off the outside layer and some cuts up towards the root. But it all stays together because I've not cut all the way through. One slice up the middle, and then from the cut end up to the root end, I slice it down. Speed is not as important as getting it right. So, some lovely chopped onions. Mushrooms, I have wiped the top of them with a paper towel, and all I'm doing now is slicing. So I slice down one side, and that gives me a nice flat edge where I can then just slice the rest of my mushrooms. Don't make your mushrooms too small, because if you do, they'll disappear and you won't see them, because they do melt. They're so full of water. Okay, next and last vegetable is my carrot. It says a quarter of a carrot. Again, it depends on the size of your carrot. I'm going to top and tail it. I'm probably going to use half of this carrot in this recipe, so that's going to be about that much. And it says grate it, and if I can give you a tip, I've washed my carrot. My tip would be don't bother peeling it. It's a bit of a waste of time. You can if you want. And I'm just going to grate that on the big side. And you keep grating until you get to the stage where you think, no, I'm going to grate my fingers, I'm going to grate my thumb, and then just stop. I don't want you to grate your fingers or your thumb. So if you're left with a bit over, just eat it or cut it up. Okay, so that's the veg prep. I'm going to stop you there and tell you what to do next.